This demonstration will show you how to set up all 5 APA headings using Word for Mac. You'll probably not need to use all 5 heading levels unless your paper is really long or it has a lot of subheadings. And if you're going to write a lot of papers in APA format, it's a good idea to set up all 5 heading levels as a style. This saves you from having to format your headings each time you type your papers. So let's get started. In our example, you'll notice that the title of our paper appears before you begin to write your text. And this section here we consider our introduction. This is where you will include your thesis statement. Now, you don't take the title of your paper and make it a level 1 heading, nor do you create a heading called introduction. However, check with your professor or your trainer to see if they would like you to section off your introduction section with the words introduction so that that can be part of your table of contents. And you'll see what I mean in a later video. So let's start with our first level 1 heading. And typically you'll type these in and have them already entered as you're typing your paper. You don't often hit them or add them after the fact. So your level 1 heading is typed in title case format. It's bold and centered. So let's set this up as part of our styles menu. Click Format, Styles, select Heading 1 in your pick list. You want to click Modify. Your style based on normal. Style for following paragraph is normal. Your font is going to be Times 12. Center, click Bold, click OK, click Apply. And now you see that the basis for pen testing is considered a level 1 heading according to your styles ribbon. Okay. Now let's enter a level 2 heading. And this is also in title case. Okay. And we want to make this bold and it remains left justified. So once again, let's go up to Format, Style, select Heading 2, click Modify. I'm going to make sure it's bold, left justified. Everything here says normal and normal for style based on and style for following paragraph. Click OK, click Apply, and now you'll notice that this heading that we just typed is considered a heading 2 under your styles ribbon. Okay. Now for our third heading, our third heading is indented. It's using center case format and followed by a period. So, and it's also bold. So bold, go to Format, Style. Let's set up this heading. Heading 3, Modify. Now here's a good example of when we have to change these settings. So style based on and style for following paragraph. Remember, they both should appear as normal. Your font type for APA is Times New Roman, 12 points, bold, and it is indented. Click OK, click Apply, and we see that techniques used by hackers is set to our level 3 heading. So let's add another level 3 heading. So in this example, we're going to highlight our text, and we'll just go up to level 3 heading to see what happens. And bingo! You see that techniques used by pen testers is using the same formatting that we just created for techniques used by hackers, and these both are considered our heading level 3s. Let's create our level 4 heading. So our level 4 heading is also indented, also in title case, but it is bold and italicized. And let's set this up in our styles menu. So heading 4, modify, bold, italics, everything here looks good. Click OK, click Apply. We have heading level 4 established. See it right here. And our last one is heading level 5. So it's also indented and it's italicized. It's using sentence case, but it is not bold. So format, style, heading 5, modify. Again, everything else looks good here. Italics, everything looks good here. Click OK, click Apply, and now we have a heading level 5. So you see it, heading level 5, heading level 4. We know these two are 3. And that's 2. And that's 1. So hopefully setting up your 5-level headings in your styles ribbon will make it much easier and faster for you going forward as you're typing your papers. And you can definitely see the value of that when we use that for our level 3 heading, when we type in techniques used by pen testers and click the heading 3 on our menu, and it automatically changes this into the same font and format as the one that we previously created before we created techniques used by pen testers. So I think this is really valuable, and I hope you find it valuable as well.